In this video, I'll detail how to update Capcut app on iPhone. So if you're using Capcut application to edit on your iPhone, then you may need to stay on top of the updates, and this video is going to walk you through how to update the Capcut app on your iPhone. So if you're not on this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you just need to do is open the App Store app. Then there are two ways to do this. You can either search for Capcut using the search box here, or better still, check whether you have Capcut update waiting for you. Click on the profile icon at the top right. Then you want to scroll down. Then you should see upcoming automatic update. Then you should have access to available updates here. So here are the apps that are due for update. Then locate the Capcut application here and click on update, or click on the Capcut just like this, and then go ahead and click on update. Once you tap the update button, this is going to download and install the latest Capcut update on your iPhone. So the time taken to install the latest Capcut update depends on the total number, depend on the size of the file and your internet connection. So with fast internet connection, you should be able to do this under a minute. So that's all you need to do to download and install the latest Capcut update on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.